Enter password. I will show you all the application and how to get in full screen. Well, we're in a full screen. So yeah, I will show you all the applications. So show apps, utilities. So there's connection. Well, connection is for mostly remote desktop or changing to Windows or Mac OS. Well, go to menu, click on show apps, go to utilities. We will go one by one. So this is document viewer, which is to look for a document, example PDF, words, and everything else. Okay, show app. File roller. File roller is for unzip the file. Next, we got font. Font, like usual, change the font. There's a lot of font in here. So yeah, this is just as an example. I won't change any font. Okay. Image viewer. This is to view image, of course. Drag and drop image here. For example, open file. So it will open your files. And then, as example, I have a photo of screenshots. Yeah. This is just to open the image. So this is the utilities. And last one is password and keys. So password and keys is to store your password and keys. It's simple. Here, password and keys. So there's password for login, keys, GNU-PG keys, and open source keys. Okay. Now we go for the system. Where system, there's advanced network configuration, which is for me it's Wi-Fi, and but they put it under wired connection. This usage analyzer, this to make sure your storage isn't full. Like this is how much Debian OS use, around a lot actually. 13.5 gigabyte available, and there's only 19.8 gigabyte total. Okay. Now we go to this to make sure. Check here. So this is the hard disk on the V box that we use in Oracle. So this is how it look like. There's a partition to make sure that our OS can run smoothly. There's input method mostly in keyboard, of course. See, default mode. It's more required. Okay. Input method configuration. Do you explicitly select the user configuration? Select no if you don't wish to update it. Select yes. So I'm gonna click no. Okay. Click cancel. Mostly. Okay. So there's log. You can just click help. It will open on help. What can I view a lot? Can I view a lot? So yeah. So there's parental control mostly if your child use it. There's tweaks. Well, tweaks mostly customized about your font, interface, text, document text, monospace text, rendering, hinting, initializing, and size. There's also appearance you can change. Eye contrast, I don't know. Appearance. Focus, I'm sorry. So if you put it on default back, it will change. Sound, system sound theme, mouse and key, touchpad, keyboard, window, title bar action, like this. This toggle shade, maximize horizontally, vertically, minimize none, lower and menu. For me, I think minimize is okay. So for example, is we double click this, it's gonna go maximize. And if you want to get it from here, you can just middle click it. Okay. So start application, there's nothing. Okay. So we're gonna go back to system for the last one, system monitor, to make sure that this CPU, this our CPU working, this memory, and so the disk it run a bit and network is stabilized. So go into process. This is all our processes and file system. Okay, that's all for apps. Well, for Debian, there's a differentiation, evolution, and software. Software is mostly like a download app. If you want to download anything, so let's say that, well, if you go for develop, most of the coding will be in here. So there's Python, C++, XML database. So yeah, this is how you download different things in Debian, or mostly if you want to do some security work. So that's all.